This new addition to the Drip network will be a game changer. If you want to see 10, 20, $50 drip, even possibly $100+ drip, stay tuned. Yo, what is good, everybody? It's Crypto 101 coming to you guys with another video today. And today we're going to talk about something that is being developed for Drip that is going to be a game changer. If you're wanting to see those $10, $20, $50, $100+ price tags on Drip, this is going to be one of the ways that we can do it. So as always, make sure that you smash that like button. Let's try to get to 100+ likes on this video. Make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. We're on our way to 2,500 subscribers. So let's get there. As well as hitting that notification bell so you know as soon as these videos are released. And as always, make sure you leave your feedback in the comment section below. I always love to hear from the community just to see what you guys are thinking and what you are bullish on. So let's get straight into it. First, I just want to say this. Good old Rocky Top. So this is the #1 college team in America right now, football wise, and we about to put the dogs in the dog pound just like Forex did. Just had to put that out there, but let's go ahead and get started. So the Drip network right now there's a lot of things that are ongoing to be added to add some additional utility to the Drip token, etc., etc. But I think one of the most important things right now is the fiat on ramp. Now, let me explain why that's so important. The fiat on ramp is going to allow people to buy Drip directly from the Drip website utilizing their credit card or debit card. Now, the reason that is so big is the process currently is very hard and I think very lengthy in my opinion when it comes to being able to buy Drip. So the two ways that I know to do it is one, you either go through an exchange, which you're typically have to wait 48 hours to be able to withdraw your funds. You're going to have to send in pictures of your ID, KYC this, KYC that. And that is just a very long process. If anybody has had the experience of trying to onboard somebody who is not very knowledgeable when it comes to crypto, it is very hard to walk people through that process or just tell people how to do it. That's something that is very hard just for the average crypto user. The other way is using a system like Change Now or Changely, which will allow you to send in a asset or use your debit card, and then it would send, BNB to your wallet, and then you would buy Drip. So there's some additional steps with that. It is convenient, but it's not going to be as convenient as being able to buy Drip directly off of the website. So with that, think about how many new users that is going to allow to be in the Drip network. If I can just say, hey, grandma, hey, uncle, you want to hop in Drip? Because there's so many people that ask me about Drip, but it's just hard to walk everybody through that process because it's a lengthy process. But if I can tell them, hey, yeah, grab your debit card, grab your credit card, and just go on the Drip network website and then put in your information and buy your Drip there, that is so much easier. So that's why you really have to understand how big of an innovation that'll be for the system. And based on what Forex said, we should see that by the end of the year. So what I think is going to happen is I think we're going to see some price depreciation from here on out just with Drip, maybe just for the next couple of weeks until everything kind of gets ironed out with the farm. And when I say ironed out, everything is running smooth. It's just it takes a little bit of time for the game theory and stuff to work out. So it's going to take a little bit of time. People are expecting a moon on Drip as soon as the Animal Farm came out. That's not what's going to happen. It has to play out, right? It's the same thing that happened with the Manor Farm and some of the other things that were added to the Drip network. Is it takes time, but we will get there. So being able to hop in Drip network at a lower Drip price is going to be awesome. Because, think about it. Hey, if Drip were to get down to, $3.50, $3, which I hope it doesn't, but we have to be realistic. If it gets down to that price, think about how much Drip people would be able to buy, especially if they use their debit or their credit card. That is going to be a game changer. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'll keep you guys updated, of course, if I hear anything additional about it. But that fiat on ramp is going to allow us to see major price appreciation just because it's going to be able to allow so many more new users to come into the system. So definitely stay tuned for that, as well as all the other things we have coming. We have scratchies, we have a dog roulette that is coming for the animal farm, and there's, you know, major drip buybacks. There is so many bullish things going on in the ecosystem, so do not miss out. As always, make sure you smash the like button on this video. Let's try to get to as many likes as possible. If you're still watching at this point and you haven't subscribed, I don't want to take it personal, but I have to. Why have you not subscribed yet? Go ahead and hit that red button at this point. And as always, leave your feedback and hit that bell button so that you get notified as soon as these videos are released. As well as check me out on Twitter at Crypto101. There's some giveaways and stuff I do on there as well. And there's going to be some content that doesn't always make it to the video. Now, in the next video, I'm going to be announcing the bag builder drip airdrop. So somebody is going to be winning 50 drip in the next video. I'm going to announce that winner. So definitely stay tuned for that, as well as just joining the Telegram group, the bag builders, which is in the description section below. Now, that's all I really wanted to bring to you. Wanted to do a super quick video before the Vols whoop up on them dogs. So make sure you stay tuned. There's so much bullish stuff coming to the ecosystem. Do not miss out. Now is the time to build the faucet. Now is the time to build the bag. And we're going to focus on what we do best, and that is building the bag. And we're going to let Forex and his team do what they do and dev this thing out. See you later.